Baldness, or hair loss, is a common concern affecting millions of people worldwide. While there are numerous treatments available, ranging from topical solutions to invasive procedures, natural remedies are gaining popularity due to their accessibility and minimal side effects. One such remedy is garlic water, a simple yet potent concoction believed to promote hair growth and reduce hair loss. Understanding the benefits of garlic for hair, garlic, Allium sativum, is a powerhouse of nutrients and compounds that contribute to its medicinal properties. Here are some key components of garlic that make it beneficial for hair health. Allicin, this sulfur compound has antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to keep the scalp healthy and free from infections that can hinder hair growth. Vitamins and minerals, garlic is rich in vitamin C, B6, and selenium, all of which are essential for hair growth. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, strengthening hair, while vitamin B6 and selenium improve scalp health and hair structure. Sulfur, known for its role in keratin production, sulfur helps to strengthen hair and prevent breakage. Antioxidants, garlic's antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals, which can damage hair follicles and impede hair growth. How garlic water can help with baldness, stimulates hair growth. The nutrients in garlic water can nourish the scalp and hair follicles, promoting new hair growth. Improves blood circulation. Massaging garlic water into the scalp can improve blood circulation, ensuring that hair follicles receive the necessary nutrients and oxygen. Reduces dandruff and scalp issues. The antimicrobial properties of garlic can help to treat dandruff and other scalp infections, creating a healthier environment for hair growth. Strengthens hair. Regular use of garlic water can strengthen hair strands, reducing hair breakage and thinning. How to make garlic water for hair. Making garlic water at home is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. Ingredients: 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of water. Optional: 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil or coconut oil. Instructions: peel and crush the garlic. Peel 5 to 6 garlic cloves and crush them using a mortar and pestle or a garlic press. Crushing the garlic activates the allicin, the compound responsible for many of garlic's health benefits. Boil the water. In a small saucepan, bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Add the garlic. Once the water is boiling, add the crushed garlic to the water. Let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the mixture. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool. Strain the mixture to remove the garlic pieces, leaving you with garlic-infused water. Optional step: for added nourishment, you can mix the garlic water with 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil or coconut oil. These oils have their own benefits for hair health and can help to moisturize the scalp. How to use. Apply to scalp. Using a cotton ball or a spray bottle, apply the garlic water to your scalp. Make sure to cover all areas, especially the spots where hair loss is more pronounced. Massage. Gently massage the garlic water into your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps to improve blood circulation and ensures that the garlic water penetrates the hair follicles. Let it sit. Leave the garlic water on your scalp for at least 30 minutes. For better results, you can leave it on overnight. If you find the smell too strong, you can rinse it off after 30 minutes. Rinse. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo to remove the garlic smell. You can use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Garlic water is a natural and cost-effective remedy that can potentially aid in treating baldness and promoting healthier hair. Its rich nutrient profile and medicinal properties make it a valuable addition to your hair care routine. However, as with any treatment, results can vary from person to person, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment.